Unveiling the mystery, the beauty of snow-capped wonders. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that captures the imagination and the beauty of nature. Snow-capped wonders. This phrase is not just a testament to the scenic beauty of our planet but also a wonderful example of the richness of the English language. Let's explore what makes these words so evocative and how they can enhance your English vocabulary and expression. Snow-capped refers to a mountain or hilltop that is covered with snow at the top. The word capped here suggests that the snow sits on the peak like a cap or a crown, highlighting the majestic appearance of these natural formations. Wonders, on the other hand, are things that inspire awe, admiration, or amazement. Together, snow-capped wonders are awe-inspiring natural landmarks, typically mountains, that are notable for their stunning snow-covered peaks. The beauty of the phrase, snow-capped wonders, lies in its ability to conjure vivid images in the mind. When we hear it, we can almost see the pristine white snow contrasting with the rugged mountain landscapes, under the clear blue sky. This section will delve into how such phrases enrich language by offering visual imagery and emotional resonance, making communication more vivid and impactful. Snow-capped wonders often find their place in literature and travel narratives, symbolizing not just the physical beauty of nature but also representing challenges, adventures, and the sublime. This phrase can elevate descriptive writing, making it more engaging and picturesque. We'll explore its use in various contexts and how it can inspire both writers and travelers alike. Incorporating snow-capped wonders into your English language usage can add depth to your descriptions and narratives. Whether you're writing an essay, describing a picture, or sharing a travel experience, this phrase can help convey the majesty and awe of your subject. We'll provide examples and tips on using this phrase effectively in your own language practice. We hope this journey through the snow-capped wonders of the English language has not only taught you a new phrase but also inspired you to explore the beauty of nature and language alike. Remember, every word and phrase opens up a new vista of understanding and expression. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, we're here to help you discover the wonders of English. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.